Good morning class 3. Here's your English language class and we are doing chapter 7 comparisons. In the previous classes we had already done the explanation and exercise A and B of this chapter. Now open your books to page number 22 and let's start with exercise C. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the adjectives in the brackets. Number 1. The Mariana Trench is the dash trench in the world. Bracket word is deep. So, answer is deepest. D-E-E-P-E-S-T. Deepest. The Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. Number 2. The cat looks dash than before. The cat looks thinner. T-H-I-N-N The cat looks thinner than before. Okay, now come to page number 23. Number 3. Richa is an dash girl. Bracket word intelligent. So, Richa is an intelligent girl. I-N-T-E-I-I-G-E-N-T. Richa is an intelligent girl. Number 4. My aunt makes the dash biscuits. My aunt makes the tastiest biscuits. T-A-S-T-I-E-S-T. Tastiest. My aunt makes the tastiest biscuits. Number 5. The weather in Manali is dash than the weather in Rajasthan. The weather in Manali is dash than the weather in Rajasthan. Bracket word is cold. So, we use the ER form here. The weather in Manali is colder. C-O-L-D-E-R. The weather in Manali is colder than the weather in Rajasthan. Number 6. Ali's handwriting is dash. Bracket word is neat. Ali's handwriting is neat. N-E-A-T. Neat. Number 7. Skydiving seems dash than swimming. Bracket word is dangerous. Skydiving seems more dangerous. M-O-R-E. More dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Skydiving seems more dangerous than swimming. Number 8. Sanjay is the dash about the picnic. Sanjay is the most excited. Bracket word is excite. Here we use the EST form, that is Sanjay is the most excited. E-X-C-I-T-E. M-O-S-T most. E-X-C-I-T-E. Sanjay is the most excited about the picnic. Number 9. This is a dash problem to solve. Bracket word is difficult. So answer is this is a most difficult. M-O-S-T most difficult. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T. This is the most difficult problem to solve. Number 10. Becky is the dash girl in class. Bracket word is funny. We use the EST form. Becky is the funniest. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T. Becky is the funniest girl in class. Number 11. The building is dash than that building. The building is dash than that building. Bracket word is tall. We use ER form here. So this building is taller. T-A-L-L-E-R. The building is taller than that building. So let me repeat it once again. Answer 1 is deepest. Number 2 thinner. Number 3 is intelligent. Number 4 tastiest. Number 5 colder. Number 6 neat. Number 7 is more dangerous. Number 8 most excited. Number 9 most difficult. Number 10 funniest. And number 11 is taller. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise D, which is given on the same page, that is page number 23. Complete this paragraph with the correct form of the words in the brackets. Here also we have to complete the paragraph with the correct form of the words in the brackets. So let's start. At the recent annual day event, the dash achievers of the previous school year were awarded prizes. Bracket word is big, answer is biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Akshar won the award for scoring the dash marks in class. Bracket word is high and answer is highest, H-I-G-H-E-S-T, highest. Akshar won the award for scoring the highest marks in class. Himanshi got recognized as the dash athlete of the year. Bracket word is outstanding. So answer is most outstanding, M-O-S-T, most outstanding, O-U-T-S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Himanshi got recognized as the most outstanding athlete of the year. Uday won an award for being the talented artist of his batch. For being the most talented, M-O-S-T, most, T-A-L-E-N-T-E-D. Uday won an award for being the most talented artist of his batch. The dash cheers were heard from the people of the theatre group as they won awards for coming up with the dash plays. Bracket is loud and the answer is loudest, L-O-U-D-E-S-T, loudest. Here the bracket word is creative. The answer is more creative, M-O-R-E, more, C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E, more creative. Their president Manisha said that she was very dash of her team, very proud, P-R-O-U-D, proud of her team. All of us had a dash evening. All of us had an, bracket word is enjoyable, answer is most enjoyable, E-N-J-O-Y-A-B-L-E, most enjoyable. So the first answer is biggest, number 2 highest, number 3 most outstanding, number 4 most talented, number 5 loudest, number 6 more creative, number 7 proud, and number 8 is most enjoyable. Okay, so class, you all have to do these two exercises, exercise C and D, in your books. Okay, thank you.